Hello everyone, welcome to another Creative Crafts Niche video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm hoping to be able to, come back to doing videos regularly. So this is the card that I'm making for you today. It's very simple, and it's just a one layer card with a little, complimentary strip here. So let's get started. So for starters, we're going to go ahead and use a piece of cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and we're going to go ahead and score it at 4 1/4. I'm going to bring in our scoring Simply Scored board, and we're going to go ahead and score it at 4 1/4. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and go ahead and fold it. Okay, then we're going to bring in our piece of strip designer series paper, and this is from the old catalog. This is the 2015 catalog, and it's on page 186. And this is the stack. It's called Sweet Taffy. Hope you can see that. And we're using this one right here. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and put some double-sided tape on this, if I can. Okay. And if I didn't mention it, this measures 1 1/4 by 5.5. Okay. This adhesive is slightly thicker, wider than this piece, so I just have to fix that real quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, to help me align this, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my scoring board once more. I'm going to line this up against these two sides, and then I'm going to use that to help me line this up. Okay, so it's and this, I think I ended up cutting this piece a little too short, so I can go ahead and trim that down later. But for now, we can go ahead and start stamping. So the stamp sets that I'm using are Everything Eleanor, and I'm using this one right here, and the Perfect Penance. I'm using this one and this one. We're going to be using the Soft Suede ink pad and the Tempting Turquoise ink pad. Okay, so we're going to bring in our stamps. Okay, and we're going to stamp this using this part of the stamp to kind of line it up this way. Right there. And then come straight up. Bring in our Soft Suede. Okay, gonna ink that up, and then we're gonna line it between these two sections here and kind of give some spacing on the side. Okay, and then on the inside we're going to stamp this one. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. More towards the top. Okay, then we're going to bring in a piece of scrap so that we can go ahead and take our stamp from the Everything Eleanor and just stamp across the top just like that to give it, you know, a little bit of life in the inside. And then we're going to lastly bring in our rhinestones, and we're going to line them up. One there, one there, and one there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my trimmer and just trim this down a bit. You don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do that. You know, sometimes the paper comes actually a little bit bigger, and as you can see, I lined it up at the 5.5 inch mark and it cut perfectly. So that's it. That's our card for today. Very simple, very easy to make, and very little effort. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and you have a blessed day. Bye.